Hello everybody, this is Earth vs Mankind YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the storms that hit Saudi Arabia last week. Natural disasters occurred 19 April in the city of Taif, Saudi Arabia. Roads disappeared under a layer of hail. Al-Baha region was unusually affected this Monday, by highly effective cumulus thunderstorms, which were accompanied by heavy and unusual precipitation of hail showers. The entire city was covered in dense and white chunks of ice. Residents' activity became totally paralyzed. Some areas even experienced flooding due to the large amount of melting ice on roads, settlements, and certain areas. Cold, unsettled weather, heavy rains and heavy hail in the Mecca province of Taif resulted in roads, halts and traffic disruption. The road between Javea and Taif was completely covered in ice, leaving cars unable to continue moving and forming a huge queue. In its weather report for today, the National Meteorological Center expected moderate to severe thunderstorms to continue with strong winds and hail. The civil defense also called for caution regarding thunderstorms with medium to heavy rainfall in most regions of the kingdom. At the end of this video, hope you like it and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.